been sneezing. I just had a big fit, but I couldn't find my phone. If this is included in the video, then I had another one. Oh yeah, my nose is tickling. Oh god. Jesus, it's teasing me. Hey! Jeez. Excuse me. Jesus. Powerful. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh god. Excuse me. I don't know why those are so powerful. I usually don't have issues. Usually my sneezes are not powerful. Though sorry for some reason. Sorry. Oh god. I'm so sniffly. Sorry. I think I feel another one. Maybe. Or just teasing me. No? Huh. Jesus Christ. It's teasing me. I needed to blow my nose. Sorry. Powerful. God damn it. Sorry. God damn it. What's wrong with me? I think I'm getting sick. Those are definitely not allergy sneezes. Come on. It's teasing me. I hate it. I hate everything about it. Oh god. Sorry. I'll try to go back to stifles. Not sure if I can stifle. Excuse me. Jesus. You're so powerful. Sorry. God damn it. You know, I think that's it. No. Hey. 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 Excuse me. Jesus.